Hello and welcome back to our channel for today's topic, corrective maintenance. In this video, we'll define corrective maintenance and look at the different types of corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance refers to any maintenance task a company performs to restore equipment, machines, or systems to proper working order. Corrective maintenance could be performed for many reasons. Some examples include resolving an issue spotted while doing other maintenance work, addressing problems noticed by a machine operator, responding to performance alerts from a condition monitoring sensor, or repairing a machine after a breakdown. In an ideal scenario, the majority of corrective maintenance work focuses on correcting minor issues on functioning equipment rather than addressing complete breakdowns. Corrective maintenance is similar to reactive maintenance, with one key difference. While reactive maintenance refers to the strategy of choosing to wait to perform maintenance until an issue occurs, corrective maintenance isn't a strategy. It simply refers to the action of performing maintenance to correct or fix an issue. There are two ways to categorize corrective maintenance: immediate versus deferred, and planned versus unplanned. Immediate corrective maintenance refers to corrective actions that take place immediately when a failure occurs. For example, a technician spots an issue during routine work and immediately corrects it. Deferred corrective maintenance refers to corrective actions that are postponed or scheduled for later. Corrective maintenance might be deferred due to the need for a specialist or spare part to complete the work, or because the technician has a higher priority task that takes precedence. The distinction between planned and unplanned corrective maintenance is based on whether or not the breakdown you are fixing was expected. Some assets that are not as critical to operations or reaching the end of their lifespan may be expected to break down before maintenance is performed. Teams expect these incidents and account for them when planning schedules and resources, so they are referred to as planned corrective maintenance. However, when a critical asset is placed on a preventive or predictive maintenance program, it is expected to remain operational. When these assets break down, it is referred to as unplanned corrective maintenance. Tracking these distinctions and the amount of maintenance work that falls into each category can help maintenance teams identify patterns and plan for future corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is an important and inevitable part of any organization's maintenance program. Knowing how to plan for it can help ensure you have the resources available when the need for corrective maintenance arises. Thanks for watching, and visit limblecmms.com to learn more.